A beautiful day mga ka-CSA. Welcome to another episode of the Certified Skin Authority. I'm Dr. Contessa, your host, giving you updates on the science of skincare, anti-aging medicine, laser technology, and aesthetic dermatology. Pag-usapan naman natin ngayon mga ka-CSA ang patungkol sa chicken skin. Ano ba ang chicken skin? Ano po ang causes nito? And ano ang mabisang lunas para po maalis ang chicken skin? Isama na rin po natin ang isang concern about dark underarms. Ano po ang nagiging causes ng pagkakaroon ng maitim na underarm? Paano po namin ito tinitreat dito sa CSA? And sa episode na ito, meron tayong special guest, fresh from California, USA, an 18-year-old lady. Siya po ay mag-share sa atin patungkol sa science of makeup. Abangan niyo po ngayon yan dito lang sa CSA Certified Skin Authority. Certified Skin Authority.
So this is now ice compress on the injected area.
20 to 30 minutes and also to do.
Okay, mainit na ba siya? Ating
Welcome back to our bahay. Ngayon pong araw na the skin analysis po natin siya, and the treatment that we're going to do is also good for her.
parang best. You wanted to enhance in a way na gusto mo mag-lift siya, mag-angat, right? And then also for nasal.
So we have actually applied na yung namin cream on this side, dito lang sa area
Corner of the mouth. And then dito po, we assess. Sige, kindly clench. Okay. Kamusta? My name is Guinevere Dela Cruz, and I am a freelance makeup artist in California, in the USA, and I do makeup for formal occasions such as prom, debuts, and other formal events such as office galas, or really any other occasion. I really enjoy makeup, and I really enjoy doing it on other people, so that's always very fun, and I always like to give people a good tips to enhance, not to cover what they already have, their inner beauty. And right now, I have the privilege to be with Dr. Contessa. I will be not only just showing you guys how to do some quick makeup tricks to make your eye bags disappear and to make your face look smaller without surgery and just with makeup, and also I will be showing how to get rid of Doctora will be showing how to get rid of some of the problems that I have, such as these weird dots on my skin. They just came up around middle school. I don't know why they're just there. It makes me very self-conscious, and as well as the underarm situation that we all have, where it gets darker when you use antiperspirant, but you still need antiperspirant. So I'm really excited to see the results, and I have complete faith in Doctora, and I think that she's going to do amazing things, and I can't wait to see what we'll do.
And we're back mga ka-CSA. Kapiling po natin ngayon ang ating 18-year-old lady. She's fresh from Sacramento, California, USA, Miss Guinevere Dela Cruz. Hi, Gwen.
Hi, Doctor.
Welcome to Certified Skin Authority. Yeah, say hi to mga kababayan.
Mabuhay.
Yes,
Mabuhay.
Welcome back to the Philippines. Pag ilang beses mo na bang nag-visit, Gwen?
Isa lang.
This is your first time?
Hindi.
Is it? Not really?
Hindi.
Okay.
Second time dito.
So, second time.
Oo,
Okay.
The last time I came here was when I was in middle school. So,
Yeah.
medyo
So you
long time
graduated
na.
already from middle school or high school? Or you're in
Nag-graduate
college
na ako. Sa college na ako.
Wow! So dalagang dalaga, 18-year-old. O diba? Very pretty Filipina, Phil-Am. Tama?
Oo, Phil.
Oo. And Gwen is with us right now, yun nga, yung concern namin, particularly sa ating arms, ang skin sa arms, di ba? Kasi we wanted to wear, lalo na summertime, we wanted to wear sleeveless. And then there are times nakikita natin may mga dots dyan. Right. Yung sa'yo, Gwen, kailan mo siya naumpisang napansin? Yung dito sa arm area.
I think I started noticing the dots on my arm area about probably when I was around 8th grade. I started noticing them as I turned, like as puberty started coming around. I started noticing the arm dots, and then obviously it's the time where, you know, you're growing up and then you're already pretty insecure about a lot of things. So it just adds to insecurity, the dots on your arm. So.
Yeah. Yun nga po yan mga ka-CSA, isang concern nga po, yan, teenage years, puberty, hormonal changes, isang factor kasi yan dun sa pagkakaroon nitong mga dots on the arm area. Actually, the medical term for chicken skin is keratosis pilaris. So, pilaris, keratosis, the hair follicles. So, yung area na yan, merong mga ducts, may opening sa skin, tapos merong nag-accumulate na mga collections from the skin cells, yung mga keratin materials, nagka-clog. So, they clog that opening. So, nagkakaroon ng mga bumps or tiny dots. Yun na yun. So, isang factor will be yung hormonal changes. Okay, yan. Pagka nagdadalaga at nagbibinata, puberty stages, yan. Another concern yung kasi pagka mainit ang panahon, yung excessive heat, tapos yung mga glands, they secrete masyadong maraming mga contents, nagka-clog pa rin yung pores. So, isang factor yun, yung environment, then yung extremes ng heat. But in your case, kasi more of the hormonal thing also. Or genetic factor also, kasi you may see it sa parents, you may see it sa mga kapatid na meron din silang mga ganyan. The so-called keratosis pilaris. So, common naman yan eh. But then of course, you wanted to have a clear skin, di ba? So, syempre, kailangan dito sa Certified Skin Authority, meron tayong solution for that one. And we will be doing that procedure. And, naalala ko nga pala, actually yung iba, hindi lang chicken skin sa arms. Meron akong patient na chicken skin sa armpit. Meron din. Sa axillary. Ang tawag doon na axillary areas po. Sa underarm. And hindi lang yung problema na chicken skin doon, yung iba naman yung dark ang color. Diba? Dark underarm. Yung sinasabing dark underarm.
I think that's a big concern for a lot of people. You know, like there's a lot of, I noticed when I came to Manila, there was always, at almost every other shop, there was underarm whitening. And I feel like that's a common thing for Filipino women. I know that I have to go, you know, deal with that insecurity, and I know a lot of my friends who are Filipinas as well. And Filipinos, they also have that issue with the dark underarms, and it's kind of hard, and it does lower your self-esteem, especially in the summer months when you just want to be free and, you know, be comfortable in your short sleeves, but you can't move your arms. So
it's so embarrassing to raise your arms like that.
Yeah, you don't want to.
Then, oh, I have a white underarm, something like that. But of course, there are remedies for those concerns. Okay, here at CSA, we will be showing our televiewers what treatment do we do for that. Well, normally we have combination treatment, but we will highlight one procedure that we do to remove those discolorations, those dark pigments, and at the same time also targeting the chicken skin. So actually, that procedure will be a laser technique. It's making use of a laser machine, an energy-based device machine. Okay, so ipapakita natin yan sa ating mga ka-CSA. Pagkatapos po nung iyong portion whereby ang ating Gwen will be sharing with us also ano ba yung mga practical tips sa pag-apply ng makeup. Kasi yung iba, ang problem, yung eye bag. Paano ba natin matatakpan yung eye bag? Paano matatakpan ng dark circles? O kaya yung pagkukontour sa makeup. So we will be showing your expert advices to our televiewers regarding that concern. So aming mga ka-CSA, wag po silang maglilipat ng channel. We'll be back.
Welcome back, mga CSA. Right now, I have the privilege of doing some makeup on the beautiful Eileen from CSA. Her main skin issue is she has really nice skin already, but if you would please tilt your head down a little bit, she does have under eye bags. We all have under eye bags. That's from school, from work, from day-to-day stress. We get eye bags, and it's very, very common. I have eye bags, I hide them, most people do. But today we're gonna go show you some simple tricks to go ahead and cover up those bags, cover up the darkness around your eyes, and some simple contouring tips for someone who might just be starting out or who do not have that much access to certain products or have a hard time, applying it, because sometimes it can get confusing. So what I'm gonna use on her right now, if you could tilt your head, she has a little bit of darkness. It's not really apparent, but there is some darkness. What I'm gonna do, since I came from the States, so I forgot all of my makeup already, so I went ahead and bought this matte lipstick. It needs to be matte if you're gonna use lipstick, but it's better to use a corrector, an orange corrector to counteract the blue around your eyes, blue purple. So you're gonna take just a little bit of this and then just take just a tad bit right under the eye, because on the color chart it's going to be right across from the blue and purple is right across is orange. So that's going to counteract the darkness, and it's going to go ahead and conceal our unwanted tiredness from work, school, etc. So we're just going to go ahead and blend that. Take your ring finger. That is the most preferable finger, because that, wash your hands, but you need to go ahead and use your ring finger, because that is the most gentle finger. It doesn't apply as much pressure as, let's say, your index finger or your pinky finger or your thumb, like I was just about to do there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it out. You don't want to blend it out completely, because then you're just gonna lose the effect of the under eye coloring. So what I'm gonna do is take this here. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. It's really good for covering under eye circles. So you just take this, you just do a couple of clicks, then you just dab right on the dark circles. Then you're just gonna take your brush. Flat top is always really good for this, and you just slightly tap. You don't want to have this smudge along or blend with the orange concealer, because then that's just going to create an orangey look. What we want is just coverage. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And it also doubles as highlight as well. So it's important to take one shade lighter than your skin tone underneath your eyes, because you want to brighten up that area. You don't want to accentuate the darkness around that area. So if you would open your eyes, there's already a major improvement in the dark circles. But if you really have bad dark circles, I bought this from the department store, Nichido, because it's an affordable brand, and you could also actually use it in place for a lot of the concealers, because it's creamy and it's an all-around good one. I've tried it, it's pretty good. So if you would tilt down a little bit, take it right onto where the shadow of the eye bag is, right below it. Not on it per se, but put it right below it. That's gonna conceal the shadow. You do not want to raise that from the eye bag area, because then that's just going to defeat the purpose. You're just going to be highlighting all of it. So it's going to be very one-dimensional. So you can go ahead and bring that into your inner corners, brighten up that area. take that, blend it. A stiffer sort of flat top brush is preferable for this kind of application, so that way you can get the most precise and you can not waste product. You could actually use any product, but I found that, you know, this is very, you know, very affordable. It's creamy. As long as it's thick, it's creamy. Whatever is fine, honestly. This, you can interchange it. Then you can go ahead and cover it, like if you want to. Like for her, you can use the Estee Lauder Double Wear. Just go ahead and put that all over your face. But I'm going to give an example of contouring now because it's good too, since we've already highlighted her face. Since she has an oblong face, she already has the ideal face. So I'm gonna use this concealer by Nick Cack. I just got it at the States, but you can also use the LA Girl one. I've noticed it in some department stores or any other ones from Ever Belena or whichever affordable brands, as long as it is a couple shades darker than your skin tone, preferably cooler toned. So you just go ahead, if you would suck in your cheeks, Eileen. Just add a little bit. You can always go back and just fill in, because her shape, she's already has the ideal shape in terms for contouring for her face, because then, you know, just a little bit around the chin area, that decreases the, slims down the face a little bit. Then you go ahead and blend that in. Just a very natural look. You can always go ahead, go back and make it more intense, but it's always good to start out thin and then start going back in darker, because then you can blend, at least that way you can just add more instead of having to remove your makeup. So there's very light definition in her cheekbones. Her face has slimmed down a little bit, and like that. It's all really easy. It will take you less than 5 minutes. I'm explaining it, so it's gonna be a little longer, but you can definitely do this in under 3 minutes and walk out the door and you're ready for school, work, or whatever during finals or exams, and you're good to go and you won't look tired at all.
Welcome back mga ka-CSA. We are now on the part of the actual demonstration of the treatment on the chicken skin and also with the dark underarm treatment. So we have here our Lucid laser machine. It's the Lucid QPTP and the YAG laser. So it also has a function to treat chicken skin or the so-called keratosis pilaris. So particularly sa arm area, okay, Gwen here has a concern yung mga appearance ditong mga dots dito sa area ng kanyang deltoid or arm, di ba Gwen? So this part na ito, syempre we wanted to have yung clear skin, walang mga skin growths or walang roughness, walang mga nakikita natin na liit-liit na mga bumps dyan, right? Although you have been using some topical creams for this one before?
Oo, before.
Yeah. So mostly mga moisturizers ang pina-apply sa'yo, right?
Oo,
Yes.
at konting epidural pa.
Yeah. So you also had some kind of symptoms na makati minsan?
Oo.
Yeah. There are times kasi pwede silang kumakati tapos wala namang burning sensation. Wala. So, ano lang, itchiness lang.
Yeah.
So, on your concern lang, yung minsan kumakati-kati sila, aside from being tiny bumps sila, sometimes red? Hindi.
Yes.
Okay. So, you had used some topical retinoids. Retinoids yun yung may binigay sa'yo na Epiduo. Yan, you can also make use of topical retinoids. Or naman yung mga ina-apply nating moisturizer para i-counteract ang chicken skin. So there's another treatment po. Ang aming Lucid Laser has a function to also treat ang ating mga keratosis pilaris or chicken skin. So with this treatment, actually we don't need to put anesthesia or any numbing cream. We just cleanse the part, we just cleanse the skin, and then we're ready to flush with our laser. Actually, mabilis lang yung procedure. So our machine is ready. We'll just be flashing. Okay. So, may question ka, Gwen.
Yes, just a little bit.
Yeah.
Is the procedure going to hurt?
Okay, as I've mentioned, we did not put any numbing cream. Okay, so this is a painless procedure. Ang sensation is a normal na parang heat sensation lang. Okay, we'll be flashing now. We'll be starting with the one flash. Okay, like this part here, like meron kang mga tuldok-tuldok. Okay. See, there's heat. You felt that?
Oh no.
Okay, it's painless, right?
Yeah, definitely
Can even
painless.
increase the energy. Let's try with the energy too. Okay, so we'll be working on it again. Wait for the machine. And there you go. So how does it feel?
Nothing.
Nothing, right?
Yep.
So actually, it has some energy pulses delivered into the skin to target those dots. Para maging smooth, spotless, dotless, hindi rough yung skin. So we give this laser machine treatment, the so-called lucid laser. You may want to know what is the interval ng treatment.
Yeah. What are the intervals that I
Yeah.
can do this?
You can do this twice a month or once a month. And then also, like how many sessions you might need. Okay, some of our
Yeah.
patients may need 5 sessions. Some will need 10, depending on how severe the chicken skin problem is. So, doesn't even feel
No.
any pain, right? But what
Yeah.
do you actually like? Is there any sensation?
There's like a slight like warmth. It's like if you just like rubbed your fingers together and just touched your skin. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So actually, I can increase the energy. There's a level at up to 4. We'll try to make it 4. Do you have any other questions?
Is this for all skin types?
Okay, so the lucid laser has a specific treatment for different kind of skin condition. Like we're saying, we're treating a keratosis pilaris, right? Is this okay?
Mm-hmm.
So this is specific for chicken skin, this type of function. Okay. Okay. So now we did on the side, this side. Actually, I can still see some chicken skin. You may want to move on the other side. Okay, just to show. So people with this kind of problem may have now this kind of treatment. Okay. So if you're saying all skin types, okay, probably you're asking if my skin is dry, sensitive, or oily. Okay, so we can do this kind of treatment for all skin types if you have this kind of condition. Okay, so we'll be doing the other side later on, but also I can target the armpit area. We'll do hyperpigmentation treatment for that. So it's a separate function. So a while ago we did for the chicken skin. Right now we can do for the hyperpigmentation on the underarm.
And if you have any cuts or open wounds in that area, can you still do this
That's a very good question, Gwen. So for people with active lesions, they have cuts, they have wounds, they have infected skin condition. So actually that's a contraindication. So if you have any infection on the skin, you have any cuts, wounds, we don't do this. So we treat that first before we do laser procedure. Okay, so that's a wonderful question to ask. And then let's proceed. Now another concern of my patients is like when we show the armpit area, it's okay with Gwen, okay. Of course, teenage years, because of hormonal changes may cause darkening of our skin on the armpit. It's a very, very common problem. And also at the same time, there are chicken skin also. And we get this from use of also deodorants, antiperspirants, okay. Some people, when they shave, okay, it has a mechanical trauma on the skin. So, ang nagiging problema, na-irritate yung skin, nangingitim yung skin. So, this is a good solution right now for those people na gustong i-lighten yung axillary area. It's a quick treatment. We'll be flushing right now. It's just a heat. It's okay, right? It's just
Yeah.
a sound, but it's not painful.
Yeah. And is it for this one, how many treatments would you need?
Well, this one was a minimum of 5 sessions. So we need 5 treatments. So regarding the interval, you can do this every week or every 2 weeks. So we'll just focus on the dark areas. Okay. Ayan po. Actually, with the first treatment pa lang, parang may nananotice na tayong nagbe-break yung discoloration or yung pigmentation. Parang medyo nagla-lighten na po siya sa first session pa lang. Okay? Okay, some of my patients are asking, after the procedure po ba, pwede akong mag-shower or can I wash this area po? Actually, pwede po. There's no contraindication. Right now po, when we did the first treatment, we can already notice some of the darkening. They're decreasing. Medyo nababawasan na po yung pangingitim. I can appreciate it right now. It was darker a while ago, pero ngayon po, medyo nagla-lighten na po siya. Imagine this technique is targeting po yung loob ng skin. So, wala po tayong worries na masusugat yung skin ninyo, hindi siya ma-abrade, walang magiging irritation po. Kaya napaka-safe and napaka-effective. So, kasi yung mga ibang treatment right now, like chemical peeling, or yung mga iba, diamond peel, napaka-harsh, napaka-aggressive. So, if you have a sensitive skin, pwede pong masugat. So, ang nagiging side reaction nun, pag nasugat, lalong mangingitim. So, with this one po, ang tina-target lang yung discoloration. Yun lang pong hyperpigmentation sa area po ng ating underarm. So, napaka-safe, lalo na teenager ang ating client. So, mainam po ito ang gawin. After the procedure, some of my patients may see slight redness. So, actually, sa'yo naman, minimal lang. That's normal. And then, we can just do ice compress after the procedure. Then, after a while, the redness or erythema will also go away po. So, maganda siyang treatment. After a week or 2 weeks, we can do this next session using the Lucid QPTP and Diag laser for underarm whitening.
I have a question. When it comes to how many sessions would you have to have, is it the darker your underarm pigmentation is, the more sessions you have to have?
Okay, ang question ni Gwen, kung bang mas maitim ang underarm, mas marami bang sessions? Yun ang question mo, di ba?
Oo.
Well, actually, syempre, the severe the problem is, the more sessions we need. So, the lighter the pigmentation, minimal sessions. We might just need 3 sessions lang. Pero kung mas, po siya, pigmented or darker, we might need 5 sessions, 10 sessions, okay. Some people have a quick response. Mabilis mag-lighten yung skin nila. Some naman, slow ang response. So, it's still gonna vary, okay? So, mainam po yung nagawa natin kay Gwen, and she's very comfortable. Wala naman pong kasakit-sakit.
Yeah.
Right? Actually, ni sting or anumang mga discomfort na hindi natin gusto, wala po. Walang needle, di ba?
Yeah.
Right? Kasi sa chemical peel, may half day,
Yeah.
may mga hindi lang half day, basta talagang kirot-kirot or parang prickling sensation.
Oo, ma'am.
Yeah.
Masakit siya. Pero,
Exactly.
I almost fell asleep. So, this was a
Yes.
really easy procedure.
Right. Okay, mga ka-CSA, maraming salamat po sa inyong panunood. Ang ating Gwen din po, maraming salamat sa pagbisita sa ating Certified Skin Authority. Any message sa ating mga televiewers?
I'd like to thank Doctora because she actually has helped me. I can't wait to see the results. I've been hearing what she's been saying and I'm super excited and I trust her. I've heard really good things about her, so I'm excited for the results and I hope that I can continue to do this and see a big, difference.
Yay! Maraming salamat, Gwen, sa inyong tiwala at sa inyong mga ka-CSA. Maraming salamat po sa tuloy-tuloy na pagtitiwala sa Certified Skin Authority. Kung meron pa po kayong mga katanungan or suggestions, recommendations sa amin, you may email me at csaskinclinic@yahoo.com or ang aming mga contact numbers, they're flashed on your screen. So nawa po palagi niyo pong tangkilikin ang CSA Certified Skin Authority. God bless!